What is the greatest scientific mystery still unsolved? Imagine looking at the night sky. Billions of stars, countless galaxies, and an entire universe stretching farther than we can imagine. Now here's something shocking. Scientists believe that everything we can see, stars, planets, galaxies, and even ourselves, makes up only about 5% of the universe. The remaining 95% is something we cannot directly see. What is it? Nobody knows. Today, we're exploring one of the greatest scientific mysteries ever discovered, dark matter. A mystery so strange that it may completely change our understanding of the universe. What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Your phone, your chair, water, air, earth, and stars are all made of matter. Scientists can observe normal matter because it interacts with light. It reflects light, absorbs light, or emits light. But dark matter does none of these things. It doesn't shine, doesn't reflect light. It doesn't absorb light. In fact, it is completely invisible. That's why it is called dark matter. But if it's invisible, how do scientists know it exists? That's where the mystery begins. In the 1930s, astronomers began studying galaxies. They noticed something very strange. Galaxies were spinning much faster than expected. According to the laws of physics, galaxies should have flown apart. Imagine tying a stone to a string and spinning it around. If the string breaks, the stone flies away. In the same way, stars and galaxies should have escaped into space. But they didn't. Something invisible seemed to be holding them together. Scientists calculated the amount of visible matter in galaxies. There wasn't enough. The numbers simply didn't add up. It looked as if a huge amount of invisible matter was creating extra gravity. That invisible material became known as dark matter. As technology improved, scientists found more evidence. They observed galaxy clusters. Again, there was far more gravity than visible matter could explain. Then they discovered something called gravitational lensing. Gravity can bend light. When scientists observed distant galaxies, they found light bending much more than expected. Something invisible was producing extra gravity. And once again, dark matter became the best explanation. Today, scientists believe dark matter surrounds galaxies like an enormous invisible halo. Without it, many galaxies may not even exist in their current form. Here's where things become even more surprising. Scientists estimate that about 5% of the universe is ordinary matter. About 27% is dark matter. And about 68% is something even stranger called dark energy. This means everything we can see in the universe is only a tiny fraction of what actually exists. Think about that for a moment. Every star, every planet, every mountain, every ocean, every human being. Together, they make up only around 5% of reality. The rest remains largely unknown. So what exactly is dark matter? One possibility is that dark matter is made of entirely new particles that have never been discovered before. These particles could be passing through your body right now. Billions of them every second. Yet you would never notice. Another idea suggests dark matter might consist of exotic particles left over from the Big Bang. Some scientists even wonder whether our understanding of gravity itself is incomplete. Maybe gravity behaves differently on enormous cosmic scales. If that's true, dark matter may not exist at all. Instead, our theories could be missing something important. At the moment, nobody knows which explanation is correct. That's why the mystery remains unsolved. Scientists around the world are searching for dark matter. They have built enormous underground laboratories. Some detectors are hidden deep beneath mountains. Others are placed underground to avoid interference from cosmic radiation. Researchers hope to detect a dark matter particle colliding with ordinary matter. Powerful particle accelerators are also helping in the search. The goal is simple: find direct evidence. Yet despite decades of effort, dark matter has never been detected directly. Scientists can see its effects. They can measure its gravity. But they still don't know what it actually is. You might wonder. Why should we care about dark matter? Because understanding it could revolutionize science. It could reveal new laws of physics. It could explain how galaxies formed. It could tell us more about the origin and future of the universe. Throughout history, great discoveries have changed the way humanity sees reality. Dark matter could be the next major breakthrough. The answer might completely transform our understanding of existence itself. The universe is filled with mysteries. But dark matter stands among the greatest. We know it is there. We can observe its influence. We can measure its gravity. Yet we still don't know what it is. An invisible substance appears to shape galaxies, influence cosmic structures, and make up a large portion of the universe. For nearly a century, scientists have searched for answers. And the mystery continues. Perhaps one day, a new discovery will finally reveal the truth. Until then, dark matter remains one of the greatest unsolved scientific mysteries in human history. What do you think dark matter really is? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more amazing science mysteries. Thanks for watching.